In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Keep and download your notes with ease. Whether you're looking to save a backup of your essential notes or plan to transfer them to another device, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google Keep. This app is an incredible tool for organizing your thoughts, making lists, and jotting down quick ideas. It's easily accessible from any computer or device, which makes it an excellent choice for anyone who needs to capture ideas on the go. Once you've accessed Google Keep, you'll notice the familiar interface where all your notes and lists are displayed. Now let's talk about downloading your Google Keep notes. You might wonder why you'd need to download them, but backing up your data is always a good practice. To do this, you'll need to go to Google Takeout, which is Google's service for exporting data from all its applications. Simply type takeout.google.com into your browser's address bar. This service allows you to selectively download your data from various Google services, and today we're focusing specifically on Google Keep. When you arrive at the Takeout page, you'll notice that all services are selected by default. We want to make sure to only download the data from Google Keep, so the first step here is to deselect everything. There's a simple button at the top of the list to help you with that. Once all options are unchecked, scroll down and find the Google Keep option. Click the checkbox next to it, ensuring that it's the only service selected. After that, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next Step. This will move you to the page where you can adjust the export settings. Here, you have options to decide on the file type and size, as well as the frequency of the export. Since we're assuming you just want a one-time backup, select the Export Once option. For most people, the default file settings work just fine, but you can customize if needed. Now click on Create Export. Google will now prepare your data for download. Depending on how much information you have in Google Keep, this process might take a few minutes. Once Google has bundled up your notes, they'll notify you via email that your export is ready. Click on the download link in the email and your Keep notes will download as a zip file to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a backup of your Google Keep notes. This process is pretty straightforward, but it's incredibly useful for making sure your notes are safe and accessible outside of Google Keep. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, keeping your data backed up is a great habit to develop.